How to see the password of Prime Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Gmail application. Once you do, log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner and choose your Gmail account. After that, simply click on Google account beside it. Scroll to the right, go to security, scroll all the way down until you see the option of password manager. Now here, if you have used this Gmail account to use Prime Amazon, you will see this option. Simply click on it and there you will see the option to see the password of your account. And that's it. That is how easily you can find the password of Prime Amazon. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.